We care about what comes next, because responsibility for the future begins today, with small decisions that make a real difference. That's why we are planting a forest, creating something that will grow, evolve, and endure for generations to come.
We are a bit like these trees. We didn't grow in a single day.
It's the result of many years of work and consistency in building something strong, with deep roots.
Just like a tree needs time to grow.
Our company has matured over 55 years,
Step by step,
season by season.
Looking at this forest,
We see a reflection of our journey. We started small,
But today, we are a worldwide recognized company.
yet we remain firmly rooted here.
Today, we are a global brand.
But our roots are here, and that carries responsibility
This is an anniversary we wanted to celebrate,
in a way that leaves something behind, not just for us,
but for future generations.
By planting these trees, we are thinking about
the future, about what will remain long after us, because what truly matters grows